How to delete an FTP user account from cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Files section and click the FTP accounts. Now scroll down to the FTP accounts section. Here, locate the FTP account which you wish to delete. Then click on the Delete option given in the same row of that particular FTP account. Do not use the Delete the user's home directory option. Otherwise, the data inside your FTP user account will also be deleted. It will be unrecoverable until you restore it with a backup. Now, click the Delete button to confirm it. The selected FTP account has been removed from the list. Thank you for watching.